आज बहुत खास वीडियो होने वाला है। आर्ट सप्लाइज अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाली हूँ।
Welcome back to my channel. Unboxing all the supplies. Chalo Admija Karen. I am super excited about the supplies. Watch till the end. Sab's Pale Pipe Cleaners. Kajin C. Nikolahai. Pipe Cleaner C. Hairclip Banya. So watch that video link in the description. Ada Deco Kikia Supplies. 2 colors pipe cleaners. So comment if you want flower DIY hash dia flower. Rhinestone chain C. Kia Bano. So Opni suggestion comment Karna so don't forget. According to suggestions video Banyagi. Shinning Kitney Jada. Next supplies Kundan white color or shinning is outstanding. Yakundan see jewelry main. Kia Bano so comment. Subscribe if you like my video. Don't forget to like. Next mini mirror supplies high. Quantity Behut Jada high up. Behut Sarah DY Bana sacked high. Love to read your opinion. Thank you so much for your love. To the channel. Aj main Bahut Kush who for this video. Alligator clips for cute DIY stay tuned. Much cute. DIY Karna Bahut Passan so likes. Bahut Saradina. Next blue Kundan so beautiful and shining. Mean deco packet see nickel car dikya. Comment main up. Jada si Jada support dikyaj to mudj kashi milga. So beautiful so elegant just looking like a shine. Have a beautiful day to all.
Wow!
Bahut Sare colors main ribbons high. Ribbon C cute DIY banya. So link in the description. So soft and smooth like a feather. Kitna achawar sunder. Love to DIY ya ribbon C. Mean hair accessories. Banya high so link in the description. This tool is very important to make jewelry. Mean J tool. Use kark necklace banya. So link in the description. This all supplies Thai Joe mean unboxing Kia. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. AAP Kopasand I like Karna Jewellery. Yes, air supplies higher comment.